Hey everyone, today we're going to be looking at the 63 Veneer boards from Bare Knuckle Pickups and a parts caster, so let's get to it. Here's the guitar we're going to be using today through Archetype Cory Wong and Archetype Plini from Neural DSP in order to check out the quality of these 63 Veneer boards. You're probably seeing some poorly done sweeps of the guitar on the screen right now. It's a parts caster built for my son from an 80s DiMarzio Strat my dad gave me around my 12th birthday. I used the body of that guitar to make another parts caster for my other son. The neck, bridge, and tuning hardware are the original DiMarzio pieces. The body is an Alan Eden distressed seafoam green Strat body, and the electronic setup is a Mojo Tone solderless Strat drop-in. And as you're well aware of by now, the pickups are the Bare Knuckle 63 Veneer boards. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to test out the bridge pickup through the neck pickup in clean mode, and then we're going to switch over to a lead tone through Archetype Plini. I should say that the clean tone is through Archetype Cory Wong on the Go To Clean preset. So here is the bridge. Here's fourth position. Or second position, sorry. Here is third position. Now here we have fourth position. And to give you a little bit of spank to test it out. All right, and the neck position, where we'll do the same. Now, switching over to the bridge pickup for Archetype Plini. We're just going to run a couple of lead lines and see how it sounds. Second position. Pick up. Fourth position. And neck pickup. So what's my takeaway from all this? Well, I think that I was pretty familiar with Bare Knuckle before. I had two trilogies in the prior Strat that I used in the parts caster and a Juggernaut bridge pickup. And I spent a lot of time with that guitar. That's two single coils and one humbucker. And I really liked it. And then I saw in Rabia Massad's Strat Tone Journey, where he was looking for his favorite pickups, and he came across the Veneer boards, which he put in his guitar that he used on the new Totemist record, which I thought was really awesome. And I really just wanted to get that kind of tone because I spend a lot of time working on pushed clean stuff, similar to what he writes, but I also really like the breakup tones that he was able to get out of it, and the hot single coil strats really work well for that. The pickups are also really good for funk, and I spent a lot of time listening to Cory Wong music, and Mark Lettieri and several other people. So I really wanted to get something that could sort of bridge those gaps between some of the heavier music that it might be used for, as well as some of that funk that I want to get out of the Strat that I have. And so overall, I really, really like these pickups. I would recommend them to anybody. And especially with getting the Mojo tone solderless, it was easy enough to where the only thing I had to solder when building my new guitar was to the claw on the tremolo system. So highly recommend these pickups. Go check them out, and I love these Bare Knuckle pickups.